some ramblings. Oh, I don't know. Some whispers, some mouth noises. It's been a minute, because as you are probably acutely aware, I am no longer in the same location. So all of my fun decorations are now kind of stashed in boxes or kind of scattered about the room. Yeah, it's kind of funny moving. You take, I think we as humans, we take so long trying to feel comfortable some places. You take so long nesting, kind of trying to get cozy, trying to get comfortable. And, make a life for yourself. It takes a lot of time and effort and care. For me, a lot of the decorations I do, a lot of the ways I choose to decorate my house, it all sort of has to do with things I care about, which is by and large my friends. So, although decorations and such that I put in my room are, typically gifts or cards or little knickknacks I receive from my friends. So, this is actually completely unscripted. But I still have the puppets my friend got me, which you might recognize, I think, from another video. I've got, oh gosh, let's see if there's things I can show. I have this little card that my friend made me. This is the outside of the card. There's a guy with a waving hand. I guess they're art. I'm getting real intimate with this microphone. I keep bumping it with my mouth. So apologies if this sounds weird. But yeah, I just have piles and piles of letters and cards and things that I've sort of collected in my life. That I use to decorate my space. So hopefully over the next couple weeks or months or years, there'll start to be some things in the back wall and not just little boxes of things. Yeah. So that's kind of the big thing is moving. I think moving can be really stressful because of all the little details of your life that you don't want to forget about. moment, in every move, where you like switch, because like initially everything is sacred, and you're trying to keep track of everything and make sure that everything is protected, and my gosh, my teal sweater, I couldn't possibly live without my teal sweater. But eventually, you sort of hit this threshold where everything sort of becomes garbage. I don't know, you hit this level where you just want to be done packing, or just want to be done moving, and you're so stressed out that you do anything just to be done, or at least operating in a simplified world. That happens to me, and I always try to make space for all the little things as much as I can. It's been kind of interesting with the move. I lived in Chicago for so long. I was there for 9 years, better part of a decade. Leaving behind, family and friends, to come out here. I'd be lying if I said so far it's been all peaches and gravy. There have definitely been, a fair amount of tears, as to be expected with any big life shift. I think that it's going well, though. I miss my friends, I miss Chicago, but there's still something very fresh and exciting about being here. And there probably will be for quite some time. I haven't been here that long. Oh my gosh. Sorry. I just realized something magical. I've been here for exactly 1 month of the time I'm filming this. I've been in my new city. That's crazy. Wow. To the day. Wow. It somehow feels shorter than that, and longer at the same time. Shorter because I've been really busy since I got here. Just, I started my grad program already. So I kind of just had to hit the ground running, which is, been challenging, to say the least. But longer in that, because it's been sort of challenging or sort of difficult, and I've kind of, really had to push myself hesitant to even say this because every time I say this it doesn't work out. But I'm hoping to kind of get into a better habit of making content. So I think I'm going to wrap this video up so that I don't run out of things to say on the next one. I hope, wherever you are, you're doing good. Whether it's an old place or a new place, I hope that, you're finding ways to make it cozy and comfortable and surrounding yourself with the things you love. I know I'm trying to do that out here. And sometimes it can be isolating and lonely, working alone with wet clay. But I found that even when times are tough, or sad or lonely or isolated, there's always, little things you can do for yourself or others that make things a little bit brighter. So I hope that you're able to find a little brightness. Sorry for the pause and the laughter. I got halfway through that sentence and realized that it probably sounds very depressing. But no, I'm good. Things are a lot, but I'm good. And I hope you're good too. Alright, I think that's it for me. I'm gonna sign off.